I'm joking. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am here back with another video. So in this video, as you guys can see from the description, that I will be installing my three-way closure, a bob closure actually. Oh, so sorry, that was so rude of me. So I would like to thank you guys for helping me into achieving 140 subscribers. So I'm literally on my way to 1,000. I don't even want to say 200 subscribers. I want to say 1,000 subscribers because I do believe in myself and I do believe in you guys. So if you are new here, welcome babe. I hope you do enjoy this video and I hope you do subscribe. And also if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much baby. Welcome baby, everything for you. Welcome with everything. So yeah, okay guys, so my hot comb is already setting. I just set my hot comb into, is it, what do I think it's not on. Oh, the plug is off. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. So now I will be installing my three-way closure wig that I got like long time ago. So I will be installing this wig today. I hope you guys do enjoy the video. So I won't be talking much on the video, but instead I will be installing, but I will let you know, I will let you guys know in the process. I will put you guys in the process in what I will be doing. So yeah, let me just not waste any time and let me just get into the video. Okay, so that was so stupid of me, but yeah, as I was saying, that I just plugged in my hot comb that I'll be using just to flatten my hair, and also I'll be using this got to be spray to lay my wig. And I forgot one thing. I forgot one thing. Let me go and collect it quickly. All right, so I'm back. So I will be using this olive oil ORS wrap set. So I'll be using this as well to flatten my wig. Yeah, just to flatten my wig. So I'll be using this. Okay, so without wasting any time, I will be showing you guys the products I'll be using to lay my wig. So I will be using this comb. It's a bit dirty, it's an old comb that I use. So I'll be using this comb to brush my hair and everything, and also just to glue my hair I will be using this got to be spray, and also this wrap set. I got it at cosmetics. I didn't get it at Clicks because I felt like Clicks was too overpriced for this cosmetic. I felt like Clicks was too overpriced, so I just got this at a cosmetic store. And I actually got this in Ghana. Not in Clicks. Why am I lying? Not even a cosmetic. I got it in Ghana. And I got this one at Pick and Pay. Yeah, I got this one in Pick and Pay. I think it was like 50 something rand. It's not even that expensive. It's like 50 something rand. So you better get yourself this got to be spray. So I will be showing you guys so many things. Okay. Cut. So this is the wig that I'll be installing. I'll be installing on my head. I just want to show you guys how I install my three-way closure wig. So yeah. So first things first, I'm going to put my wig on. Obviously, I'm going to put my wig on. Obviously, and I'm going to push this wig cap a bit to the back because I don't want to lay my wig. I don't want to glue my wig cap. And also please don't mind me if I'm looking down because my mirror is down here, so I will be looking down a bit. So I'm going to go in with my glue, my got to be glue. I'm going to spray the glue on my forehead. Not really on my forehead, but close to my forehead. Ooh, I don't even remember me doing this thing. Okay, I'm going to use my comb now, just to, I don't have a dryer here, so I'll just wait for it to air dry. This is so weird, but I'll just wait for it to air dry because this AC is not coming where I'm sitting, so I can't, and I don't even want to get up. So yeah, I'm just waiting for it to air dry. And I actually wanted to do a story time, but I don't have much stories to tell. Actually, I don't have much stories to tell. I wish I had. It's not like I don't want to do story times, but just that I don't have. And usually I am a person who forgets all the time. So things of story time is not my type of things. So now I'm just going to pull my wig to the front. Ooh. Pull the wig to the front a bit. Okay. So I'm just going to do that. I hope you guys can see. And then I'm also going to do it the other side. And one thing I like to do, I like to put the spray again on top of the lace. Not the lace, sorry, the closure. What lace? What lace? What lace? So I'll do this again here and this side, because I don't want my closure to be visible that much. So yeah, I'll do it again this side. Okay, I think my foundation is doing what it's not supposed to do. And I do not like that. I don't like that. I don't like that. Why are you embarrassing me? So, yeah. I'm also going to go in with my glue again. Just here on the... Ooh, I think that's too much. Because I want this part to be flattish. I want this part to be a bit flattish. Push back this hair a bit to the back and this side, because you guys saw that I did apply glue, right? So I'm just going to push it back a bit, you know. Ooh. And please guys, don't mind me, because my hair starts right over here, so I just have to brush it, because wow, there's nothing I can do. And I don't want to put my wig, I don't want to put my wig here on my forehead, you know. So yeah, I don't want to do that, guys. Literally this method is it's so easy. Like literally it's so easy. Anyone can do it. I mean, if I can do it, then what's stopping you? Literally, what's stopping you? So I'm going to go in with my hot comb now. Ooh. Ouch! Fuck. What was I thinking? I don't know whether it's me, whether I can't use this hot comb, but okay. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter at all whether it's me who can't use the hot comb. So I'm just going to use this mousse, the wrap. I think I need to iron this side, because the side is a bit, you know, upperish. So I'm gonna go with my hot comb again. I think my hair is not properly laid. This glue is not. I think if you're gonna do this, you're just doing it for protection, so that your wig doesn't fall off. So it's just for protection and just giving you that kind of natural look. So there's nothing much that I'm doing in this hair, because I did iron the hair. It's just, I feel like this side is not curvy. I like this side. Okay. All right. Okay. Yeah. Okay, I think that's fine. And this hair is not bone straight, guys. Please don't come in my comments and say bone straight, bone straight. It's not bone straight. I got this hair from, what do you call this store? It's in town, Cape Town. Long Street, not Long Street. What the fuck? Why would I say Long Street? It's in town. I got this hair at, I don't know the store. My God, I forgot the store, but I got it like years back. So yeah, I actually like the highlights of the hair and the quality. It's like maybe like 5 or 6 years back. It's quite an old hair, but it's still, you get me? It's still, yeah. So that's basically literally that with the hair. And I did go wash the hair, so that's why it's looking kind of nice. All right, guys, so now I am going to why is this thing not? Wow, it's gonna circle this way. I'm hot comb. Okay, guys, so now I'm just going to use my foundation just to, you know, give that highlight or that, you know. All right, so I have started applying the foundation. The foundation I'm using is the 350 Caramel foundation from Maybelline, and I bought this foundation at Clicks. So I'm just going to, I've already started here to draw in the line because I want my foundation, I want my closure to kind of match my skin tone. Oh, I don't think, why do I feel like it's too much? Because I can't see and this mirror is kind of far. So yeah. All right, so this is how I do my hair, how I install my 3-way closure. I don't know if you guys think I'm lying to you, but you guys probably have saw that this is a 3-way closure. Like I can pull from this side. Never mind my hair, guys. My hair starts right close to my eye. So please do not blame me. And this side also. So yeah, that's basically how I style my hair. All right, so thank you guys for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Till next time, bye.